Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into one of the most astonishing events in the history of our universe, the Big Bang and the birth of planets. So, buckle up and get ready for an epic journey through time and space. First things first, the Big Bang. Imagine everything you know condensed into a single point. No galaxies, no stars, no planets. Just an incredibly hot and dense singularity. Around 13.8 billion years ago, this singularity exploded, giving birth to our universe. Think of it as the ultimate cosmic fireworks show. In the first few seconds after the Big Bang, the universe was a hot soup of particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. As it expanded and cooled, these particles began to combine, forming the first simple atoms like hydrogen and helium. Fast forward a few 100 million years and gravity took the lead role in shaping the cosmos. Gravity pulled hydrogen and helium together, forming massive clouds that eventually ignited to become the first stars. These stars lived short, fiery lives, creating heavier elements in their cores. When they exploded in supernovae, they scattered these elements across the universe, and that's where the magic really begins. Now let's talk about planets. The dust and gas left over from these stellar explosions began to clump together under gravity's influence. Over time, these clumps grew larger, eventually forming planetesimals. Think of planetesimals as the building blocks of planets. As these planetesimals collided and merged, they formed protoplanets. Some of these protoplanets became the rocky planets like Earth and Mars. Others, farther from the Sun, gathered massive amounts of gas and became the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, but it didn't stop there. These newly formed planets continued to evolve. Volcanic activity, asteroid impacts, and the right distance from their stars allowed some planets to develop atmospheres and even potentially life. It's a cosmic dance that continues to this day. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, all those stars and planets started as a tiny, dense point. The universe is a vast and wondrous place, and the story of its birth is nothing short of spectacular. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through the cosmos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. Until next time, keep looking up.